next-generation self-empty robot, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Self-Empty XL. Its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding objects day or night. And now with Ultra Clean, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. Shark's breakthrough clean edge technology uses targeted blasts of air to push debris out from along edges and from deep within corners, delivering 50% better edge cleaning that other robots struggle to reach and clean. The Shark AI Ultra Robot also features a bagless HEPA self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to a month. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. Ultra smart for an ultra clean home.
This is what you will receive when you get your Narwal T10. To open the box, hold it here. Tear it off, lift the box, and then take the robot out. Now take out the accessories from the bottom of the base station. Open up the upper cover of the base station. You will find 2 water tanks. You will find vacuuming module, mopping modules and mops, a magnetic strip, a power cord, side brushes, and filter sponges. Here's your user's manual. Now take out the robot. Now tear up the seal. Open the upper cover of the robot. You will find the dustbin and a little hook cutter. You can check the product list in your user's manual to ensure all accessories needed to operate your T10 are included in the package.